Good morning children, welcome to the English class. We are doing exercises of the sentence, rearrange the words to form sentences. We had done the definitions and explanation of the sentence. Now today we are going to do the exercises. Rearrange these words to form sentences. Now these words are in jumbled order. A fruit and apple is. Now we will form it in a proper way. We will write in a proper way. Now first, an apple, because we are talking about apple, so we will write an apple. Ma'am has written 2 times here an, so I will cut this an here, or I will put a whitener here, because I have written with the pen. You will not write with the pen, you will write with the pencil only. No child will write with the pen. An apple, we are talking about apple, so we will write an apple first. And is a fruit later. Milk gives us the cow, we are talking about cow, so the cow will come first, gives us the milk. Now, of wood a chair is, we are talking about chair, so a chair will come first, is made of wood. Is made of wood. 8 is she old years, she will be the subject. She, we are talking about she will come first. She is 8 years old. Do not forget to write first letter with the capital and put full stop at the end of the sentence. Wings fly, birds with the. So this is jumbled words. Sorry. Wings fly, birds with their. You will write birds fly with their wings, because we are talking about birds. So we will write birds first. Next exercise. Exercise number 2. Rearrange these words to form sentences. Has pet a Ben dog. We are talking about Ben. So Ben will come first. Ben has a pet dog. Sells the sugar grocer tea and. The grocer sells tea and sugar. Grocer is a person who sells groceries. So the grocer sells tea and sugar. Doll plays with her she. So she will come first. She plays with her doll. She plays with her doll. Next, number 4. On bench the is squirrel. On bench the is squirrel the. Now there are 2 the. So first we are talking about squirrel, so it will be the squirrel. The squirrel is on the bench. The squirrel is on the bench. There are 2 the used in this sentence. Hunter the tiger shoots the. First we will write the hunter. The hunter shoots the tiger. Again there are 2 the in the sentence. The hunter shoots the tiger. We cannot say the tiger shoots the hunter. No, the hunter shoots the tiger, because tiger cannot shoot hunter. Okay, so you have to see whom we are talking about, what we are talking about, and that person or thing which we are talking about will come first in the sentence. The hunter shoots the tiger. Do these 2 exercises, children. We will meet in the next class with more exercises. Bye bye.